Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier allows tethering and that you have data left. Without that, nothing will show up. Next, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active so your iPhone can advertise the hotspot. Open Settings, go straight to Personal Hotspot and toggle it on. This begins broadcasting. Once done, glance at the hotspot name shown there. It's the network other devices will see. Make sure airplane mode is off and cellular signal is adequate before moving on. You now control how your hotspot appears and who can join by adjusting a few details. First, change the iPhone name in general right arrow about right arrow name. That sets the SSID other devices will see. Then set a strong Wi-Fi password in personal hotspot, at least 8 characters, to prevent freeloaders. If a connected device is old or having trouble, enable max compatibility to use a broader Wi-Fi mode. This may slow speeds, but you finish by connecting the client device. Pick your iPhone SSID in Wi-Fi, pair by Bluetooth, or plug in via USB and approve the connection. Watch data and battery. Turn off personal hotspot when you're done. If the hotspot doesn't appear, restart both devices and retry. If that fails, update iOS or reset network settings in settings right arrow general right arrow transfer, or reset iPhone right arrow reset. Also check with your carrier if tethering is blocked on your plan, because that will stop visibility entirely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.